Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a countdown timer in ManyChat using the free plan in 2025. A countdown timer is perfect for building urgency around events, sales, or limited time offers. Step 1. Log into your ManyChat account and open the Flow Builder. Step 2. Create a new flow or open an existing one where you want the countdown timer to appear. Step 3. Since ManyChat does not have a built-in timer block, you can create the effect using dynamic text. In your message, type something like only 24 hours left or offer ends in 2 days. Step 4. To make it dynamic, you can use custom fields and set a date for your event. ManyChat will calculate the remaining time and display it automatically inside your messages. Step 5. If you want a visual timer, you can embed an image or a GIF of a ticking countdown that you generate from free countdown sites and upload it into your message. Step 6. Preview and test the flow to make sure everything works before sending it out. And that is it. You just added a countdown timer in ManyChat for free in 2025. This simple trick can increase urgency and boost engagement for your campaigns. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share.